There is only one thing that matters with color grading. Everybody overcomplicates it, everybody misses it, and if you don't pay attention to this one thing, you can get overwhelmed, you can get lost, you can get frustrated, and it doesn't need to be that way. Look at this image. What camera was this shot on? How long did it take to color grade? What kind of color management did I use? Are there any visual effects? Was this shot at the right white balance? Did I use subtractive saturation? Did I grade this with the HDR wheels? The truth is, you can't really tell any of that stuff by looking at this image. Because in the end, when our viewer watches our movie, the only thing that they experience is what the end product looks like. I could have gotten here in all different kinds of ways. We might have shot this in Rec 709 and did 0 color grading. And the truth is, the audience is never going to know. They're never going to notice. They're never going to care. In fact, 90% of people, as much as we like to think they're going to think about it, never think about what tools we used to color grade this. The only thing that matters is, does the image look good? Does it convey the feeling that we're trying to convey? Does it feel the way we want it to feel? That's the big thing. How we got there is irrelevant. In fact, put it in the comments below. How did I get to this image? I started with a log image like this. This is shot on a Canon. And here's the result. How did I get there? If you think you know, put it down in the comments. All right, let's take a look at this shot. How did I get here? What kind of color grade did I do to this to make it look the way it looks? The truth is, if you're super into color, you might be able to make some guesses. But because you don't know the starting point of the image, you have no idea what kind of changes were made or how I got there. The only thing you have to go on is, does the image look nice? Now I'm going to show you that same image again, graded in a different way. Here it is. Can you tell the difference? What did I do that was different? What kind of tools did I use on this one versus the other one? You can't tell. In fact, one of these I used color management for, and the other one I did it the wrong way. Which one is it? Can you tell? So this is your intervention, okay? This is your kind friend coming alongside of you and saying, listen, you need to stop obsessing with which tool you use. You need to stop buying plugins and LUTs, because you can get great color grades with Resolve no matter really kind of what tool you use or approach you take. What's really, really important is, does the image look good? This is one of the core things that we touch on and just really hit home in the 5-day Simple Color Workflow Challenge. It's a 5-day live coaching experience with me, and it's designed to take you from overwhelmed and frustrated and obsessing about details to actually being able to color grade your videos, match your shots, make them look the way that you want them to look. All of that without getting overwhelmed and obsessed, without getting lost, and without stress. Because the very most important thing for you to do as a video creator is to create videos. And if color is in the way, then this is designed to take that frustration and get it out of the way so that you can actually make videos. And then color grading can actually be fun and not stressful and frustrating and overwhelming. And you can get your ticket and join the Simple Color Workflow Challenge right now. It is open for new students. You can sign up and get in there as long as you're watching this within like a week or two of when I post this. But even if you're not, we're going to be doing another one soon. So there is a link in the description below. I want you to sign up. I want you to get a VIP ticket, because then you can show up an hour early and we can talk through your projects and I can answer your questions, and it's going to be the best. You don't need to overcomplicate color grading. We can simplify it together. All right? That sounds fun, doesn't it? And then you too may make images that look really good. See? It starts like that, ends up like that. I'll show you the way to get there. It's real easy. Okay? All right. Okay, bye.